Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut and trim videos in VN Video Editor. So if you want to learn how we can cut and trim videos like a pro using VN Video Editor, this tutorial will show you exactly how you can edit your videos with precision so you can create smooth and professional looking content right from your mobile. And here let's just start by launch the VN Video Editor app. Okay, so to start editing your videos, you can just tap on the plus icon, and in here you'll see this page, the create batch option. So just tap on new project and choose the video based option so you can create your videos and photos to narrate a captivating story. Tap on save. Now you can just select the videos that you want to edit. Here I'm going to just open one from the stock videos from the end. Let's say I want to edit this videos right here. You can tap on next. Okay, so the current duration is 20 seconds. Let's say I want to trim it into 10 seconds. So what you need to do, choose whether you want to trim the beginning or the end of the video. If you want to trim the beginning, you can just tap on this or drag this arrow. As you guys can see here, you can just drag it to the left, and now the duration of the video will be automatically reduced. You can see now it's only have 10 seconds. You can just go after you got the desired durations. And if you want to split, you can just go to where you want to split. For example, I want to split in here, so you can see the playback, the white line in here. Just tap on split after that, and the video will be split within seconds. So you can here add transitions in between videos now, or you can also delete the part that you don't need, like this for example. For trimming, you can also use this trim option, and in here you can choose whether you want to trim or only 0.1 seconds, 0.3, 1 seconds, or 2.5 seconds. Just tap on the check icon, and that's it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the thanks button below. And also, if you still have question, you can leave comment down below. Bye.